What's up, everybody? Should I wait for her to get out? Let's see. She get out now.
Cheese.
You still looking about her?
Cheese.
Oh, let me see.
Oh.
You guys, I'm here at she get it out. Yeah, I was in front of the girl the whole time. I thought I was waiting on her. I'm like, she's not moving. She's not getting out. She's not getting out. And then come to find out, I'm blocking her the whole time. Like, I'm thinking she's in the car ahead. So I'm like, let me get in the store before they close. They close at 8 o'clock. So it is. Say hi. It's like 7:41 right now. I want to come here to Ulta, get a couple of things, and then I also want to go to Whole Foods and take back this waist trainer that doesn't even fit. I bought a 4X because I just really thought that the 4X was going to fit. And you guys, when I tell you that 4X, and then my camera... Oh, I don't even have my memory card. I took my memory card out to check the footage, like upcoming footage or whatever. And I accidentally forgot to put the other memory card inside. So, yeah, well, we're here at Ulta now. And all I need is one thing. All I need to get... I called up here just to see if they had it. And they definitely did not at all answer me. So they better have it. So I'm here to get the Rihanna Heat. And then I'm also here to see their Milk Primer. As well as their like Too Faced 2-in-1 primer. As well as, a lip tint. I really, really want to see what kind of lip tint they have. So come on, buddy. So thank you. Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, buddy, give me a hand. You all right, buddy?
Yeah.
All right, come on. You guys, Harlem fell. Come on.
Hi, welcome in. Just to let you know we close in 15 minutes.
Okay. Come here.
Alright, and then I'll just come back to that
What's the lip tint? Lip balm tint?
Who's the brand? I can help next.
Oh, I don't know. I'm just looking for that specifically.
How are you doing tonight?
You guys, I don't even know. They don't even got anybody there to help you. I'm looking for... We gotta find some lip tint. Looking for some lip tint. Lip tints?
It just varies. Like, do you have a specific brand in mind?
No. I guess somebody good. I'm used to,
Just to let you know we close in 15 minutes. Lily, are you helping somebody?
I am.
Okay.
Oh,
When you get done, she's looking for a lip tint.
Excuse me. Sorry.
And what else am I looking for? Heat by Fenty.
Yep, Fenty's right over.
You guys. Oh, here it goes. Yes, this is it. I guess it's the hot chocolate heat. This is it, you guys. So, I guess I just could go ahead and get this because
Okay, what were you looking for?
I'm looking for lip tint.
Okay.
Like, this is just regular
And
gloss
there's no
on my
particular
lips.
product you were looking
No, I just want to like make my lips look a little bit more blush pink than how they look right now. This is like my natural brown, and I want them to look.
for? Swatch a couple of things on you.
Those are lip tints?
Yep. Can I see your hand?
Oh, that's too dark. Yeah. I would,
What do you think? Do you want like that or more like a light pink?
more like a light pink. Bye-bye. More like a blush if you just think of like a pinky softy. Not really.
Yeah.
I wonder what that peach will look like. Oh. Yeah, that's a little bit more up my alley.
Mommy.
Ooh, that peach isn't bad either. I think I want the pink one.
Which one? Can you point it to me? That one does. Light tint. Last one.
Oh, that means I'm supposed to have it.
Yeah.
What else do I want? Oh, Too Faced 3-in-1 primer. It's a spray.
Right here.
Bye-bye.
There you go.
That's it?
Yep.
Oh, wow. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, you're so welcome. Kia, will you bring the blinds down instead?
Come on.
Yeah, time to go.
So Rochelle Chanel get this. So I'm trying it out. Then I got this lip tint. It's like a pink color. So that's kind of what I'm going for. And then I got Heat, the chocolate color.
They, I think, believe
By
they're
Rihanna,
online
so-
only right now. So yeah, this is all we have from Elf right now.
Yes.
Yeah, I thought this is what you were looking for. Sorry.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Oh no, it is something different. Yeah, the Halo.
Yeah,
Oh, I'm sorry.
No,
Yeah,
it's okay.
it's called Halo. So
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. That's why I thought you were talking about this initially
okay.
too.
Sorry, my bad.
No, you're good.
Okay, thank you. But maybe you might get it maybe.
Yes, probably. If not this upcoming week, the week after.
Okay.
We usually, once it drops on our website, we get it about 2 weeks after that. If it drops on the Elf website, we probably won't get it until it drops like in
Okay. Cool. All right. Thank you. Sorry for the confusion. My bad.
Okay. It's so much of the same product.
Yeah, I didn't even know they had.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kia.
Hi, welcome in. Just to let you know we're closing in
Have a great night. Hang on. Hey, how are you?
Mommy.
Okay, we leaving now. I got my products. Yeah, this guy was staring me down, and his wife, his woman, he didn't even realize, but the woman was looking at him through the glass. Like, he was making it way too obvious. But anyways, you guys, I got my products. Y'all, influencing is real, okay? Because I bought all of this stuff because I seen other people with it. Like, and it looked. No. Be careful. Come on. I seen other people with it. I didn't need none of this stuff, but because I seen other people with it and I liked it, now I bought it.
Mayhem baby.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Nyema, be your motivational MC, and I'm here to help you get to where you wanna be, cause I'm living my dreams. And we are in beautiful nature and basking in this beautiful weather. I literally, when I came up here, I'm like, it looks completely different from when I was here last. Cause the last time that I was here, it wasn't as much as greenery as it is now. So I just was like, dang, I ain't been up here in a minute, because I didn't even really see the transition of the greenery here. I saw more of the transition at my home. So that just really shows you that I've been home a lot more. Do you guys like this pink tint lip balm? Oh my gosh. Hopefully I showed it to you guys in the video, but it is before you see this part, because I filmed it. I filmed it before. But oh my god, it is so pretty. And then I put a little gloss on the top. Let me tie my shoe real quick. Then I put a little gloss on the top. You guys, I was only able to go up half the mountain just because it's one of those days where I just wanted to make it out here and up here. And I did it, and I did it at least halfway. A little bit more than halfway for sure, but I just wanted to get up here and experience that. And then there's literally so much things that I wanted to do at the house as well. And then we went out last night too. We went walking last night, and I think I want to start really incorporating 2 workouts a day. So I did cycle class yesterday, and then I worked out yesterday night. So I actually worked out twice yesterday, and I do plan on working out twice today. So yeah, it is so beautiful out here, you guys. Like, look how beautiful this is. I'm gagging. Like, the nature just does something to me. It just really does. Like, I don't know if it has anything to do with like my zodiac or just anything like that, but nature is just so good. So good for me. You guys, I was thinking about taking a trip, but I honestly don't know where I want to go. I think I want to go to a Caribbean island. That would be nice.
You gotta hold it. I'm not holding it.
Caribbean island would be real nice.
Yeah, I mean, but
That would be really, really nice. I was thinking the States, and then I'm just like, you've been to the States. You've been everywhere. It's time to just only go places you've never been. You know what I mean? It's time to explore places I've never been, countries I've never been to. Like, I've seen LA 1,000 times. I've seen New York 1,000 times. So now I'm all about, where have I never been? That is nice. And that I can chill and enjoy. Like, you know where I would love to go back? It's Trinidad and Tobago. That was a nice trip. Tobago was the best. Tobago was the best because Tobago was this like little island. You get yourself a little tour guide. He takes you around. You pretty much go liming all day. You are at the beach all day. It's just chef's kiss. I would not mind going back to Trinidad. But yeah, you guys. But I'm just enjoying where I am now. You know, you always, as much as I'll be like, oh, I want to do this, I want to do that, I'm really big also into just enjoying the present moment, taking advantage of what is down the street. You know what I mean? Like, this is bliss. Being in nature, going up the mountain, climbing up the mountain. It feels really good. You guys, so I'm really into, I drew something yesterday, which was just, I don't know if I'll insert it, but it was just that Mickey Mouse. I was so intrigued by this one painting, but I want to know, like, just wonder, like, what can I create myself? Like, what type of art pieces can I create myself? Like, how he, even though that was like a depiction of Mickey, which it was, but it's just like, what can I create myself? That his joints is so dope. But I want to start doing more paintings of that and selling them as you know, luxury art pieces. Like, you can't be banned from drawing somebody's same picture, can you? Like, if I start, you know, selling pieces, like art pieces. But I don't know. I have to really just figure it out, what I want to do. But I do want to get like a canvas and start creating, start drawing some pieces. Drawing some pieces for real. I'm thinking about how I would fit it all, because yesterday when I was drawing the image, I ended up drawing it too big on one side that I couldn't fit the other side of the air. So now I'm thinking, if I draw it on a big canvas, I really got to make sure I got my measurements correct. Like, because, like, how big do I want everything to be? Like, because of course I want everything to be symmetrical. So do I draw it out? You know what I mean? Do I actually take a graph and start like sketching? I guess so. Okay. All right, guys. I'll be back. Do you notice anything new? Okay, so, do I even have I don't have it in my car, but my face actually does feel, I mean, it could be because I actually just washed my face with Nyema, but I also use the Too Faced 3-in-1 primer on my face. No makeup at all, just the primer, and it feels good. Like, it just feels like I toned it a little bit. I don't know. But I have that on, and I also have on, baby, I went to what's the name last night, and I purchased, I wanted something to make my lips look pink all the time, look like just a natural, just tinted. Like, I wanted something to make my lips look tinted, and I was gonna tint my lips. I'm definitely still thinking about doing that, but for now they actually came out with lip balms to tint your lips and make them like whatever kind of color you want. I'm actually about to go back and get that peach. So I got the Play Tint by Benefits. I love Benefits. Benefits do not do wrong. Like, Benefits is gonna get you right all the time. Like, they really are, like, all the time. So Benefit is the name, and Play Tint, I believe Play Tint might be the color, but it's their pink. It's like a soft pink, and it is so beautiful. And you can even layer it. Like, I can like layer it for it to just it's like really bumpy over here, so I'm like holding the camera, but it's so, chef's kiss. I was talking to my friend who lives out in LA, just on Instagram. He had posted a picture of like looking out into the city, and I was like, I want to live there. I was like, I want to live there. He was like, you could do it. Don't tell me that. Like, that just be giving me so much ammo. Like, you telling me I can do something? Oh, I'm so thankful that I don't have to. I can stay right here. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. The Benefit Play Mode, Play Tint. I don't even know what the color. Hold on, let me see. I think I have it in my bag, but you guys, I have so much stuff in this bag that I don't even know where the actual, okay, let me take this laptop out. Oh, there it goes. Because if I move the laptop, I might be able to see. Let's see if the color is on here. I think it's just called Play Tint. I think the color is just called Play Tint itself. I don't know. But this is what it looks like. And it's a pink. So, I love it so much. I already put it on, and then after I put this on, I went behind it and put MAC's lip gloss. When I tell you guys, like, MAC's lip gloss is probably the best that you're gonna get as far as a lip gloss, like a real gloss is concerned. It's probably definitely the best. 10 out of 10. MAC lip gloss. I know I have it. I have literally, remember guys when I told y'all about when MAC was doing the whole training? I was able to get 3 of these. So this is the MAC lip gloss. You don't even need the lip tint. I mean, the lip tint is like a luxury to have. I'm not gonna tell no lie. It really is. But the lip gloss over anything is clutch. So Get you some lip gloss by MAC. MAC wins every time. There's just certain things that MAC just is gonna win, hands down. This, you guys, is a new lip. When I tell you, I want to try this so bad. I have not tried it yet. I don't really want to try it. I kind of want to try it right now. That's why I actually turned the camera on, because I was like, ooh, I should try it just to get a reaction. But I'm going to CycleBar, so I don't really know if I want to have brown lips in CycleBar. I think I just would prefer to have a neutral lip. You know what I mean? So maybe after CycleBar, I might first to try this on. What made me buy this? I bought it with a pair of things. I didn't buy it just for the simple fact of this. Every time people always showed me this, I was never that impressed. But when this girl did a pairing, so I bought the complete pairing on what made me say I needed to go get this. I have never seen anybody put this on, and that's why I bought everything. Because sometimes it takes more than one product. So, a lot of times, okay? Can we be honest and say, a lot of times it takes more than one product. And I feel like this Rihanna Heat is going to go chef's kiss with the pairing that I bought. So, okay, so the pairing that I bought was Maybelline's, and I haven't purchased Maybelline in a very long time, just for being honest. But I got it from Chopped and Roots. She is a content creator, YouTuber, and she did this makeup look, and I was stunned to the ground, okay? And that's what made me get this. That's what made me purchase this right here. It was never it by itself. And I do want to be clear. So if I try this on, that's why I don't want to try it on right now. I want to wait. I want to wait. I want to wait. We're going to do this the right way. We're going to put it down. Because I had it in my hand. But I'm like, I like what I got going on right now. And I want to nurture it. You know what I mean? Like, that's the season that I'm in. Like, I'm in this season. Oh, wait. Am I going the right way? Oh, yeah, I am. I just need to go this way. So, I'm in this season of... Oh, my goodness. What they doing over here? What they doing over here? What? Bro, you are not telling me that all these folks is turning? Oh my God, I had no idea. I really had no idea. But anyways, you guys, I'm about to head to my class. This is my second time. I'm excited about this trainer. They say he is off the chain. I was trying to film, y'all. My first time I was trying to film, it's kind of one of those things that you really kind of can't film. You kind of can't film because, like, they're really in your face. The people are kind of close, so it's very hard to film. I tried, and I dropped my phone on the floor and everything, and I was so, like, it dropped, and, you know, the lady looked, she saw. Like, it's that intimate, so it's hard to film inside or whatever, but I'll definitely try to get as much footage as I can. Yeah, I kind of want to just put this on. Let's just put it on just because. Let's just see. No, I don't think this does anything by itself. I don't even really want to put it on. I'm nervous. You can't see nothing. You can't see nothing. Can't really see nothing. I put it on the outer. Okay, I see why the pairing would do well, because this is very light. So I see why the pairing does what. Oof. Can't wait. All right, let me get over She got on her gear. I got on my gear. We are only here. Y'all, I'm not telling no lie. I literally had to go all the way to the top. Let's just go there and do this again. If so, it's okay. We got some time. Okay, guys, I'll be back.
Welcome to the show. Trick now to get the supersonic chronic. Trick now to chicken. Trick now to trick now. I don't back down. Back down. I'm back now. The number